Fix in 5. Got a P0562? Let's break it down. What it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. This is the part where you stop reading and call someone. First, the symptoms. Dim or flickering dashboard lights, dim or flickering headlights, slow engine cranking, battery warning light illuminated, difficulty starting the engine. Now the most likely causes. Defective alternator, worn or loose serpentine belt, faulty battery, corroded or loose battery terminals, defective voltage regulator. How to fix it. Clean and tighten battery terminal connections. Inspect and replace serpentine belt if worn. Test and replace alternator if faulty. Replace battery if voltage cannot be restored. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €80 minus 250 doing it yourself, or Euro 200 to 370 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 2,884 models. People also ask, is it safe to drive with P0562? Driving with P0562 active is not recommended. This is a high-severity issue that could lead to engine damage, safety risks, or sudden vehicle shutdown. Have the vehicle inspected immediately. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0562. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.